Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Windows Defender offline scan to remove viruses and malware from your Windows 11 PC. This powerful tool allows you to scan your system for malicious software that may not be detectable while your computer is running in normal mode. This powerful scanning tool finds and removes malware from your PC. Okay, let's start. Keep in mind, make sure to save any open files and close applications and programs before you starting this Windows Defender offline scan. Okay, let's see how to use Windows Defender offline scan feature. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. On the Windows settings page, then select Update and Security like this. Then select Windows Security like this. And then go to right pane and select virus and threat protection like this. Here under virus and threat protection, select scan options. Then under scan options, select Microsoft Defender offline scan like this. Once done, click scan now. Keep in mind, make sure to save any open files and close applications and programs before you starting this Windows Defender offline scan. Once done, click scan. Now starting the scanning process. This Windows Defender offline scan takes about 15 minutes to run and then your PC will restart. Wait for a while for complete the scanning. Once it's done, let's see the results of your scan. Open the Windows security settings like this. Then select virus and threat protection like this. This time under virus and threat protection, select protection history like this. Then you should see Windows Defender offline scan will automatically detect and remove viruses and malware from your PC. That's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.